Hey friends, a lot of users have posted this query that they encounter this issue where they're unable to set a new owner despite being the administrator account. Now here's the thing, I know that my account has administrator rights. All I need to do is give it a reply on the user prompt. But this is not necessarily an administrator account. And I'll try to explain what people are trying to do. So let's say I right click on this file, I select show more options, then I go to properties, then I go to security, then I go to edit, then I try to give full control to, let's say, some other person. Okay, and I'm not able to give that full control. So in this case, you can actually try logging into the administrator account, and I'll tell you how. There is a command here. I'll share it in the description section of the video. I'll copy it. I'll search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. I'll click on run as administrator. I'll paste it and I'll hit enter. And once I hit enter, it will need a while. And then I will restart my computer. There will be two accounts. I cannot restart my computer on this video itself, but I'll explain this. I'll restart my computer. I'll see two accounts. One is my original account and one is the administrator account. Log in from the administrator account and then try to add the user, and then you can reboot your system into your normal account. I'll repeat it. Restart your computer after running this command. Log into the administrator account. You'll see two accounts. Log into the administrator accounts. Do your job as you were doing earlier. It will work. It will go through in 99% of the cases. I don't see any reason for it not to go through. And then restart your computer normally into your normal account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.